In this section, we are going to learn about HTML list. HTML list allow web developers to group a set of related items in a list. It can be mainly of two types, an unordered list and an ordered list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the ally tag. The list items will be marked with a bullet by default, like this. And an ordered list start with OL tag, and each list item will start with ally tag. The list item will be marked with numbers by default, like this. We have another type of list, and it is called HTML description list. And description list will look like this. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. The DL tag defines the description list. The DT tag defines the term, such as name, and the DD tag describes the each term. Now we are going to see them in action. First, we are going to have a look at unordered list. To do that, we are going to take UL tag, and inside UL tag, we are going to write as many lists we want. So in this case, let's write the first one, list coffee. See coffee here. And if I copy paste it to, this is what our unordered list is. Let me give a paragraph. This this is unordered list. Each unordered list will have a bullet point in front of them. Now we are going to see ordered list. For ordered list, you are going to write OL, and inside OL you are going to write your list. List, let's just say I want coffee, then I want tea, then I want milk. So you can see in front of each of the list, you are going to get a chronological order, a number, and also we have another type of list, that is HTML description list. This is HTML description list. For that, we are going to first take DL. This DL means description list. And then we are going to take DT. DT, DT is going to define the name. Let's just say coffee. And then DD, that is going to describe the each term. So let's just say, right, black, hot, drink. You see there is an indentation, and it is describing what the coffee is. We can write another one. So first thing, we are going to write DT, that is the name, milk, and then LK, and then DD, it is going to give a description of the DT. So I want that this is white cold drink. So this is HTML list.